fan again. We got some units here.
All right, everybody. This is a 1971 series coldspot, 6,000 BTU with an AE. We just picked up a bunch of units like a Gibson. Damn you. Excuse the talking about that.
Yeah. All right.
We're gonna fire it up on fan.
Oh, I need these.
And of course, the front panel has a splitter. I doubt we're gonna get compressor.
See, can I take off the filter?
It has to come up above that tab right there.
Or those tabs. These cold spots are always a pain. Then I can get the
Filter's actually not that bad, so let's try and keep it. Maybe you have a flathead you can put in there?
There we go. I got it. It's getting a little bit. There we go.
Yeah, these are always in good shape, it seems.
Yeah, this thing's awesome.
Operating instructions.
Let's see. Maybe we'll get compressor. Let's see. Where's the compressor? It's on here, right?
Yep.
Alright. You think maybe one of the other ones will start up?
Well, that's the only one we can start up right now. We need to put a new cord on that one.
Ah, yeah.
You want to do that? Or?
I guess so.
Hey, let's fire up the superthrust.
Yeah,
Well,
we gotta turn this thing over.
We got a short cycle of the compressor though.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna end the recording. Alright, here we are at the superthrust. We're gonna try to start this up. Let's first do, okay. Let's try, a little fan. That's quiet. That's quiet.
Right. I would just keep it on high all the time.
Honestly, yeah. Alright, has energy saver, so we can just, in theory, what size the compressor on?
It's usually going to be on the side of the controls. So, right there.
Alright, I don't think it's going to
short
push on.
cycle it, because this was checked for quite a while.
Oh yeah, this is, oh yeah, it has the energy saver, so I can just start up on low. Let's do it. Which one's the thermostat?
That one here.
Let's do it. Huh?
I don't know. I'll just go
Give it a...
Weird. It was just clicking. Maybe that, that was silly to run the fan because now it won't kick on.
Let's see, let's just see if we can get that to... We'll just warm up the thermostat and we'll try it again.
Yeah, now.
Alright, got the thermostat clicking. Not sure for how long it's going to run, but let's do it.
Ready to short cycle it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
Alright, gotta
That
go.
was really getting cold. We'll just do that like 4 more times.
Alright, I guess we'll do a high startup.
Plus, it's almost impossible for it to leak because it's.
Let's do it. You might need to run tap.
That's already ice.
Oh, really? Let's do it. Oh, yeah.
It's not hard for it to work today. It's warm enough for it to click.
Oh, yeah.
It's actually pretty slow. It's warm enough to work.
let's start this thing up.
Oil cooler.
Alright, we got this thing out of the case. Holy crap.
Finally, it was a...
Yeah, it was a long time, but alright, let's start up
it was just because it wasn't really a pain, it's just we didn't realize, you know,
Alright,
there were
here
two
we go.
things that had to be taken out.
Oh, wait, click that. I shut that off. Fan's going on. What? Alright, let's see. Here we go.
It's grounded.
That's good.
Ice cold. I bet you this thing's got a full charge. I got no doubts.
After this, we gotta see if we can get that thing on top of Gibson.
Yeah, man. Gibson.
The old Gibson. Disgusting, though.
Yeah. This thing is quiet.
It is. They might need some oil, though.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Oh, I threw the brush in.
Woo! Getting cold and hot. What's that, an oil cooler?
Yep, that's your oil cooler.
Oh, wow. Don't see that in a window unit every day.
Yeah, no, it's pretty much like only a GE thing. Here.
This thing's quiet, though.
Nice meaty suction line for sweat.
Cooked off.
Oh, nice. Got the energy saver. Is that a metal fan? Yeah.
Ooh,
Wow.
be careful.
That's actually metal. That's all.
Yeah, I mean, here.
Plus, if I cut my finger off, you know, there it is.
Oh, no. Well, yeah, that's it running. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, we were going to short cycle it anyway, so.
Right.